Every developer knows the drill: endless boilerplate, repetitive tasks, context switching that drains your focus. We spend countless hours on mundane code, not the innovative stuff we love. What if I told you there's a new wave of AI that doesn't just assist, but automates? Imagine cutting your development time in half, or even more, by delegating the grunt work to autonomous AI agents. This isn't just about the better autocomplete anymore. This is about revolutionizing your entire web development workflow. Today, I'm going to show you 5 distinct AI agents that will make you rethink how you build, debug, and deploy. If you're tired of repetitive coding and ready to unlock unprecedented efficiency, stick around. This is a game changer. For too long, AI in development felt like a novelty. But now, with advancements in large language models, we're seeing the rise of what I call AI agents, tools that understand context, perform multi-step tasks, and even learn from your feedback. They're not just suggesting lines, they're completing features, writing tests, and even documenting your entire code base. We're going to dive deep into 5 categories of these agents, each tackling a critical bottleneck in your workflow. Get ready to boost your productivity to levels you never thought possible. Let's start with the bane of many developers: front-end boilerplate. Creating a responsive, accessible component from scratch every single time? It's mind-numbing. Our first agent category focuses on instant component generation. I'm talking about taking a simple text prompt describing exactly what you need and watching a fully functional, production-ready component appear in seconds. Imagine needing a hero section with a dark mode toggle, a call to action, and a responsive layout. Instead of sifting through libraries or writing it yourself, you just ask. This isn't just a snippet, it's often clean, semantic HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript or a React Vue component, tailored to modern standards. This saves hours per week, allowing you to focus on unique logic, not recreating the wheel. Next up, the dreaded bug hunt. We've all been there, staring at an error message, scrolling through logs, trying to pinpoint that elusive flaw. Our second agent is the AI-powered debugger and explainer. You feed it your buggy code and the error message, and it doesn't just guess, it analyzes the context, identifies the root cause, and often suggests the precise fix. But it goes a step further. It explains why the error occurred and how its proposed solution works, teaching you in the process. This is invaluable for complex systems or when you're working with unfamiliar code bases. It's like having a senior developer pair programming with you, constantly looking over your shoulder for mistakes, and always ready with a clear explanation. Testing. We know we should do it diligently, but often, it's the first thing to get cut when deadlines loom. Not anymore. Our third agent category is the automated test generator. Give it a function, a component, or even an entire module, and watch it intelligently generate comprehensive unit and integration tests. It understands edge cases, potential failures, and best practices for your chosen testing framework. Imagine instant, high-quality test coverage for new features or legacy code. This significantly improves code quality, reduces future bugs, and builds confidence in your deployments. It's the ultimate safety net, ensuring your code works as intended without you manually crafting every assertion. Design handoffs can be clunky. Translating mockups or even simple ideas into pixel-perfect code is a manual, iterative process. Our fourth agent streamlines this, the AI Design-to-Code Converter. This isn't just about turning a screenshot into HTML, it's about taking a simple description, or even a basic sketch, and generating a responsive, styled UI component or even a full page. Want a login form with a specific aesthetic? Describe it. Need to adapt an existing design system? This agent can often understand your design tokens and generate code that matches. It bridges the gap between design and development, accelerating the initial build phase and ensuring consistency. Finally, the unsung hero of maintainable code, documentation. Often neglected, but crucial for onboarding and long-term project health. Our fifth agent is the intelligent documentation generator. Feed it your code base, and it can analyze functions, classes, and modules, then automatically generate clear, concise, and accurate documentation. From JS.comments to READMEs and even API reference guides. It can explain complex logic in plain language, making your code easier for others and your future self to understand. No more outdated docs, this agent keeps them fresh and relevant with minimal effort from you. It's the final piece of the automated developer workflow puzzle. We've just scratched the surface of what autonomous AI agents can do. From obliterating boilerplate to instant debugging, robust testing, seamless design implementation, and perfect documentation, these tools aren't just improving our workflow, they're fundamentally changing it. The future of web development is here, and it's automated. If you're ready to embrace this new era and transform your productivity, you'll find links to many of the tools and technologies discussed today in the description below. Some even offer free trials, so you can start experimenting immediately. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI for developers content, and share this video with a fellow coder who needs to see this. What AI agent are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Next week, we're diving into how to build your own custom AI agent for specific coding tasks. You won't want to miss it. Stay productive.